Guys, here's a 1/18 scale custom built Plymouth Fury. This is Christine. That's from the movie, horror movie Christine. I made it into the burnt charred version. Again, this is handcrafted, so you'll not find this thing in any store or anywhere else. As you see, it features opening hood. Under the hood, you have the detailed engine, opening front doors, and trunk. In the trunk, you have a 9-volt battery. That's because I also installed the working lights in it. So let me close it up and turn the lights on. The on and off switch right here on the bottom. The bottom's also been, I guess, charred. So we have the working headlights on the front. That's what car looks like, all closed up. And on the back, you have the tail lights. Again, I'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. I'm not sure. I'll build another one before the holidays. So if you're interested, feel free to bid. It does come with this box. This one is made by Anson. Prestige edition. Again, as you saw, it was originally red, but I've custom made it to look like the charred version. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Take care.